Salad. A light salad can provide a refreshing contrast to the rich flavors of the duck meat. Red wine. A full-bodied red wine, such as a Pinot Noir or Cabernet Sauvignon, can pair well with duck dishes. In addition to these traditional pairings, there are also many creative and innovative ways to incorporate duck meat into a variety of dishes. For example, duck tacos, duck burgers, and duck pizza have become popular items on menus in recent years. It is also important to note that duck meat is a good source of protein, iron, and vitamin B6. However, it is also high in fat and calories, so it is best to enjoy it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. By pairing duck meat with healthy sides and accompaniments, and by practicing portion control, one can enjoy the rich flavor of duck without compromising on health. Duck confit is a traditional French dish that originated in the Gascony region of southwestern France. The dish involves curing duck legs in salt and then cooking them slowly in their own fat until they are tender and flavorful. Here are some more details about duck confit. Curing. The first step in making duck confit is to cure the duck legs in salt. The legs are rubbed with a mixture of salt, garlic, and herbs, and then left to cure for several hours or overnight. This process helps to preserve the meat and infuse it with flavor. Cooking. After the curing process, the duck legs are rinsed and then cooked slowly in their own fat. The legs are placed in a pot or Dutch oven with duck fat, garlic, and herbs, and then simmered over low heat for several hours until the meat is tender and falls off the bone. The cooking process helps to render the fat from the duck legs and infuse the meat with rich flavor. Storage. Once the duck legs have been cooked and cooled, they can be stored in their own fat in the refrigerator for several days or even weeks. This makes them a convenient and versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. Serving. Duck confit is often served as a main course, accompanied by potatoes or vegetables. It can also be used as an ingredient in other dishes, such as salads, sandwiches, or casseroles. Duck confit is a labor-intensive dish that requires patience and attention to detail. However, the end result is a tender and flavorful meat that is rich and satisfying. The dish has become a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world, and is often found on the menus of high-end restaurants and bistros. Whether enjoyed as a main course or used as an ingredient in other dishes, duck confit is a delicious and indulgent treat that showcases the rich and complex flavors of duck meat. Calculating the calories in duck confit can be a bit tricky, as the dish contains both duck meat and duck fat. Here's a general breakdown of the calorie content in a typical serving of duck confit. 1 serving of duck confit, approximately 4 ounces, 450 to 500 calories. 4 ounces of duck leg, with skin, 220 to 260 calories. 1 tablespoon of duck fat, 120 to 130 calories. It's important to note that the calorie content can vary depending on the specific recipe and cooking method used.